You are watching PBS 15 TV Network, where you'll find videos and every other content. Hey everybody, it's PBS, and I'm Panda,
and Pink Eye,
and this is PBS and his friends. Hey guys, what's up? It is season 42, episode 17. 18 will be tomorrow morning. Hey guys, what's up? Not much. Well guys, sorry we're late on this video a little bit. 8:12, almost 8:13. And Hunter just went to school this morning. Allison's at work. And she doesn't get off until the noon hour.
Yeah, that's not very far.
Yep. Not too far as I can say. Yeah, one of our subscribers mentioned us in our video, and Steve goes, "We're playing Blue's Clues," and then the Family Guy character says, "I'm Sneaker O'Toole."
Ah, that's funny.
Yeah, it is funny. This is our favoriteest, funniest episode that we've ever done. By the way, it's season 42, episode 17. And season 43 will come really soon.
That's exciting.
Yep. Hunter has a school picnic tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. on April 16th. April 17th is Collaboration Day, which is pretty good. Yeah. Distance Learning Day for Jinx kids. So, yeah.
I'm excited for next year's videos. I mean, we're very excited about that.
Yep. We all are. We just gotta recreate the YouTube short about how to stop an alarm clock and the Hulk YouTube short that we did 4 years ago. Yeah, that's the end of the program. We'll see you in the next episode. We love you guys. We love the many ways over. We like the many ways over. We love to have you. We love to have you. We like to learn and educate and all that. I like to be your friend. You can be one too.
This program was funded in part by a Ready to Learn, No Child Left Behind grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
That's life. attacked. A ceasefire is being negotiated. Avoid escalation. Avoid escalation. Avoid escalation. An extreme weather warning is in effect. Trust that the steward has a plan. Better times lie ahead.
I answer to Varang.
You will be the one to finish Solek.
But we will have this so-called dog-tagged warrior.
Oh, come on.
Sarentu.
Is my name too hard? Come on, I'll race you.
We did not expect to see your trade so soon.
Our journey here was not easy. A darkness moves at the forest's edge.
The RDA have new allies, Solek.
It has been many years, warrior. Do you remember me? And I have not forgotten what I owe you.
Just you and me now, Solek. And I see you.
You will give me the fight. I am out. Watch me cut every one of you.